everybody, I'm Brian Julius. I'm the Chief Content Manager for Enterprise DNA, and I wanted to provide you just a brief introduction to the video you're about to see. This is a huge month for us in that we are transitioning from being a site focused strictly on Power BI to one focused on the larger Power Platform. And as such, we've released two courses we're really excited about this month. One is a masterclass focused on Power Apps and the other on Power Automate. And these are both comprehensive courses with about 8 hours of material each. And what we wanted to do was just provide you samples of both content that we think stands alone as useful to you, but also hopefully gives you the incentive to check out the larger courses. So we'll provide that information in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy.
Hi everyone. In this lecture, we'll be making a Power Apps account. Now, you obviously need a Power Apps account to actually access the Power Apps Developer module. So let's start with actually making an account. It's very easy to do so. First, navigate to this URL over here, powerapps.microsoft.com. You can then click the Try Free button on the top right. Now, this asks you to put in an email. The issue with this, however, is that you can't put in your personal email. And how Microsoft detects that is that it looks at the URL of the email. So if you try putting in, for example, just a random email like henry@gmail.com and click submit, it'll give you an error saying that that's a personal email address. So if you do have an email that doesn't end with a typical personal URL, such as Gmail or Outlook or Yahoo, then enter that one in. If you don't have one, however, there is a really quick and easy workaround that I would suggest. What you can do, and what I will do here, is actually just open up a new tab and go to a website called tempale.com. This website basically just generates random emails and inboxes. So we'll take this email over here. Yours will be different, obviously. You can just click it. It gets copied in. You can then use that and paste it in this text box over here. Now, the key thing here is that Microsoft believes that NIU is not a personal email address, it's a work email address. So then if you click submit, it goes through. Now, again, I stress that if you do have a work email address, to use that instead, it is a lot better. But if you don't, you could simply just go to your temp mail, copy the email over, and click sign up that way as well. Microsoft will then ask you if you got your email from your company. You can then select yes. So we'll keep going through. You can then put in your first name and last name. So I will do that right now. So Henry Lege. I'll put in my password as well. And then it sends you a verification code. So if you go back over here and just wait a couple of seconds, you should see in the inbox something like that. Okay, perfect. So our sign up code is 249970. Obviously, yours will be different. And I don't want to get promotions from Microsoft, and you can just click the start button. And there we go. It's just downloading a few small things, and then you will be all set up with your Microsoft Power Apps development environment. Let's just make sure we actually get to that page before we end the video. Then we should be all good. Perfect. Okay, so if you see this screen here, then everything has worked well. If you don't, then please reach out to me and I will help you with this and how to get to this screen. The main complaints that I've gotten is usually it doesn't accept the email that I'm giving it. And the best way to get around this, again, is to use this temporary email sites to actually do it.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Enterprise DNA TV. If you enjoyed the content covered in this particular tutorial, please throw the video a like. It really helps us and we really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Enterprise DNA TV channel. We have a huge amount of content coming out all the time from myself and a range of content creators, all dedicated to improving the way that you use Power BI and the Power Platform. Lastly, check out Enterprise DNA's website, plenty of resources and further learning that you can access very easily. All the best. Take care.